Want to make driving more comfortable and easier? In this video, we've selected 15 super practical and cool Amazon car accessories to help you easily handle everyday driving and maintenance. Tired of tangled cables in your car? Try this wireless CarPlay adapter, plug it in and go, instantly transforming your car from the wired era to the wireless lifestyle. Retains all original CarPlay functions, navigation, music, Siri, calls, messages, nothing is missing. Supports steering wheel controls, touchscreen, and voice commands for full control. Installation is super simple. Complete setup in 3 steps. No app required, no system updates needed. Once set up, your iPhone connects automatically when you start the car, even if it's in your pocket. Compatible with over 800 vehicle models, supports iPhone 6 and later models. Compatible with USB and USB-C ports, and includes an adapter for true versatility. Upgraded 2024 smart chip delivers high-speed, stable connectivity without lag or disconnections, ensuring a smoother driving experience. Stylish and compact design blends seamlessly into your vehicle's interior, durable and robust with enhanced heat dissipation for longer-lasting use. Please confirm that your vehicle natively supports wired CarPlay before purchasing. Wireless connectivity starts here. Rear door hydraulic support rod, compatible with multiple Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC SUV models from 1999 to 2004. Perfectly replaces the original factory lift support, restoring the door opening and closing function to like new condition. Quick installation, OE-level precision fit, no special tools required, easily replaced in minutes. Suitable for the rear tailgate, not the rear window. Vehicle compatibility, specifically designed for models such as the Escalade, Suburban, Tahoe, and Yukon, with an extended length of 24.61 inches. Please confirm that the model and length match your vehicle. Durable and sturdy, made from high-strength materials, providing robust support for rear door opening, ensuring stability and durability, and withstanding the test of time and harsh weather conditions. Restore smooth rear door operation for your SUV with a simple replacement. Are you still frustrated by not having enough charging ports in your car? This UlPro 5 in -1 retractable car charger solves all your problems at once. It supports charging up to 5 devices simultaneously, with a maximum power output of 168 W. It features 2 USB ports, 2 extendable PD fast charging cables, while also preserving a cigarette lighter socket for other devices. Not only does it support dual USB-A and USB-C ports, but it also intelligently adjusts voltage and protects battery life, ensuring safety is always a priority. Its compact design with 180 degrees rotation adjustment fits various vehicle models and is compatible with over a dozen devices, including smartphones, navigation systems, car refrigerators, vacuum cleaners, and more. Looking to give your beloved car a fresh new look? This stylish PU embroidered car seat cover is not only visually appealing but also highly practical. Featuring a breathable, perforated design combined with exquisite embroidery craftsmanship, it ensures breathability even during prolonged driving, offering a comfortable and luxurious seating experience. The back of the seat cover is made of anti-slip rubber particles, ensuring a secure fit that stays in place while protecting the original seat from scratches. The smooth side seams are perfectly compatible with side airbags, ensuring uncompromised safety performance. The front of the seat cover also features 2 convenient storage pockets for your phone, keys, and change, making them easy to access. The inner layer uses a combination of rebound foam and non-woven fabric, ensuring durability and resistance to deformation. Installation is extremely simple with quick-release clips, elastic straps, and metal hooks, allowing you to complete the process in just 5 minutes, eliminating the need for complicated steps. Compatible with 95% of vehicles on the market, including sedans, SUVs, and pickups. Not only does it protect your seats, but it also enhances the interior aesthetics. One set takes care of seat renovation, protection, and aesthetics. Give your car a brand new look today. Want your seats to be more durable and stylish? This upgraded wear-resistant leather front seat cover is just what you need. Made from carefully selected wear-resistant and waterproof leather, it effectively prevents wear and fading of the original seats. Combined with a high-resilience foam inner layer, it remains comfortable even after long periods of driving. The bottom wrap design and side coverage provide comprehensive protection and blend naturally with the original seats. A handy storage pocket is also added at the front for convenience and practicality. Anti-slip gel base plus hooks plus clamps ensure secure fixation, so you no longer have to worry about slipping or shifting while driving. The most eye-catching feature is its triangular stitching design, which adds a 3-dimensional touch and elevates the elegance of your vehicle's interior. Installation is super simple, done in just 5 minutes, quickly revitalizing your seating experience. Want to make your rear seats more comfortable and easier to maintain? You'll love this soft PU leather rear seat cover. Made from high-quality soft PU material, it is suitable for all seasons, with a smooth texture, waterproof and stain-resistant, and easy to clean. Featuring a 3-stage adjustable design, it fits lengths from 50 to 55 inches, suitable for 90% of standard 2-seat rear models, providing a natural fit and comprehensive protection. Note: not suitable for large models such as the Redwood or BMW 7 Series. Unique edging design plus anti-slip bottom, combined with clamps and elastic straps, securely fastens without shifting, while retaining the seatbelt buckle position to ensure travel safety. Installation is extremely simple, taking just 5 to 10 minutes to complete, without damaging the original vehicle or requiring any tools. Transform your vehicle's rear seat instantly. Still worried about your 12V battery losing power after being left unused for a long time? This smart MPPT solar battery charger is your all-weather power manager, equipped with advanced MPPT technology, up to 99% tracking efficiency, 98% peak conversion efficiency, and a 20 to 30% increase in utilization. The intelligent 3-stage charging algorithm maintains battery power steadily, prevents overcharging, and extends battery life, ensuring worry-free maintenance. Built-in comprehensive circuit protection system safeguards against overvoltage, overheating, short circuits, and reverse connections, with IP65 waterproofing for reliable use in outdoor environments. Compatible with various 12V battery types, whether for cars, boats, RVs, motorboats, lawn mowers, or ATVs, it adapts effortlessly. Installation is ultra-simple, plug and play with status clearly displayed. From today onward, let the sun power every journey of your life. This is a compact yet powerful 12V battery charger designed specifically for various lead-acid batteries, suitable for cars, motorcycles, RVs, boats, lawn tools, and even children's electric vehicles. Fully automatic operation, plug and play, no supervision required. Once the battery is fully charged, it automatically switches to maintenance mode, intelligently protecting every charge. Features an internal microprocessor and constant voltage pulse technology to prevent overcharging, reverse connection, and short circuits, combined with a spark-free design for enhanced safety and reliability. Comes with an SAE quick release adapter, making it easy to connect to either ring terminals or alligator clips for convenient and efficient use. Still using your fingernails or a scraper to slowly peel off stickers? Try this professional sticker removal tool. It effortlessly handles all kinds of residue and decals. Features a larger solid design, making it faster and more powerful than ordinary rubber wheels. Stickers, patterns, double-sided tape, all removed, compatible with most power drills, requiring only 1,500 to 3,000 revolutions per minute. For a quick, clean wipe, suitable for various surfaces such as cars, glass, trucks, and metal signs, fast, efficient, and controllable, saving you a lot of time and effort. Looking for a safer and more reliable power supply for your RV? This 30-amp RV extension cord features an ultra-long 100-foot length and supports up to 3,750 W of power, featuring pure copper conductors and a flame-retardant, UV-resistant outer shell. It is UL certified and designed to withstand rain, sun, and snow. Out and about, and your battery suddenly dies. Don't panic. HPBS 4000 car emergency starter, quick start, supports up to 10-liter gasoline or 8-liter diesel engines. Features an upgraded 3-inch LCD display for easy battery level monitoring. 10-layer intelligent protection system ensures stable starting in extreme cold or heat. It can also be used as a power bank and LED flashlight, combining SOS, flashlight, and lighting functions in one device. It is a must-have for driving. Suzume Torque Wrench 3-piece set, one set for multiple repair scenarios, made of high-strength CRV steel with chrome-plated mirror finish, corrosion-resistant and wear-resistant, with a luxurious appearance. Features a built-in bidirectional ratchet head, enabling precise control whether operating clockwise or counterclockwise. When the preset torque value is reached, it immediately emits a crisp, click sound to prevent over-tightening and damage to parts. It can be used over 10,000 times, truly durable and reliable. Need a heavy-duty wrench that can really get the job done? This 25 to 250 feet lb heavy-duty torque wrench effortlessly handles a variety of high-torque tasks. High-hardness CRV steel ratchet head, durable, rust-resistant, and corrosion-resistant, built to last. Dual-range high-contrast scale, clear readings, and precise adjustments. Easily unlock before use and quickly reset after use. Thoughtful design, unlock before use and lock after use for safety and stability. Comes with a sturdy plastic storage case for convenient portability. Twist steadily, turn accurately, and this one is just right. Still bothered by short car electrical cords? This 13-foot, approx 4-meter cigarette lighter extension cord is your emergency helper. Made with 16 AWG thick copper wire for stable current and safer transmission. One end is a standard male plug that plugs directly into a 12V to 24V cigarette lighter socket, compatible with cars, RVs, trucks, and other vehicles. It includes a built-in 15A fuse to prevent overcurrent and ensure the safe operation of your devices. The other end features a female socket with a dustproof and waterproof cover, capable of delivering a maximum output of 15A, easily powering various 12V to 24V appliances. Whether it's a car refrigerator, air pump, USB charger, or splitter, this extension cable has you covered. A must-have for camping trips, convenient, safe, and efficient. No more blurry night driving, sea-light fog light bulbs, original factory-size design, quick installation in just 3 minutes. Equipped with 16 CSP chips, brightness up to 30,000 lumens, clear night visions, smart IC drive, plug and play for 99% of vehicle models without errors. Durable for 60,000 hours, long-lasting brightness, illuminating every trip. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We look forward to your comments in the comments section. See you in the next video where we'll continue to unlock more great car products.